on new orders, or a new order rather, that the company is about to win or has just about won. Megha, tell us about it.
Well, Neeraj, it was actually a couple of orders that it's got in its kitty. So the company is bagged orders worth about 800 crore rupees, and these come in both on the construction side of the business as well as the water side. So 800 crore rupees, given that the current order book is at about 5,700 crore rupees, that takes the total order book to about 6,500 crore rupees. So it's a good boost coming in. This is obviously source-based information. You can expect an official confirmation in about a few days' time. But for today, we've got a Pratibha Industries that's trending upwards, in fact building on to those gains as we speak. So these orders are coming in for both the construction as well as the water side of the business. One of the orders, we believe, is in fact on the international side. So do remember, they're already executing a water project in UAE. So we believe that another order is on the international side is of course also in the pipeline. As far as the execution period is concerned, they're going to be executed anywhere between 1 to 2 years. So over the next, by FY13 and FY14 is where you're going to see the maximum impact come in really from these orders. For the last quarter of this year, that is the March quarter, in fact, it's going to have a negligible contribution, of course, but nevertheless, FY13, FY14 is where we'll see a big kick in coming.
Sure. Megha, I just want to come in out here very quickly, since we're out of time. Did I hear you say that aside of this order, which is 800 odd crores, they are on the anvil to bag further orders as well, and probably in the current month itself?
Well, Neeraj, that of course can't be ruled out, because the company has been on an aggressive bidding spree. In fact, they've been bidding for, roughly about orders anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 crore rupees on a monthly basis. So of course, in addition to the ones that we are expecting shortly of 800 crore rupees, we can expect more orders to flow in over the next quarter as well. And besides that, of course, in terms of the margin picture, they're expecting to maintain the margins at about 13.5% to 14%, even on these fresh orders. So given the tough times that we are living in, this is not a bad place to be in. But of course, execution is going to be the key.